Hi everyone, today I want to show you my new plugin PolySplit, which is designed for cutting polygonal mesh in Houdini. Enjoy watching. You can add a node to the scene by pressing the Tab key and going to the AS Lab subcategory. The first thing you may see after activating the tool is the main hotkeys for working with the tool. By default, the tool has snapping to points, edges, in the center of the primitive enabled. You can disable snapping completely or partially for certain parts of a primitive. To start cutting, use the left mouse button. To undo an action, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z. I will continue the cut. Use the middle mouse button to delete a segment, hold Shift plus middle mouse button to delete the entire cut. To complete the cut, use the right mouse button. To delete a segment, you can click either on the segment or on its point. You can also cut multiple primitives with a single line. If the cut line is not visible, enable the X-ray parameter to see it. Once you have applied the cuts, you can continue to move their points. While moving a point, you may start creating a new cut line. Simply right-click to cancel. Now I will show you again how X-ray works. I'll make a few more cuts. You can enable primitive indexing to verify that the cut was made correctly. If you want to make a loop cut, hold down Shift and simply move the mouse cursor. To apply the cut, press the right mouse button. You can delete a segment or hold Shift and middle click to delete the entire loop cut. By enabling the edge group parameter, you can get a group of cut edges for further operations with these edges. Now I will show you the difference between PolySplit and the native Houdini tool. If intermediate nodes are included, the native tool fails to preserve the cut because the topological connection is broken. This is the key advantage of PolySplit over the native tool. It is topology independent. It stores spatial 3D data, allowing it to preserve the cut in the exact same location regardless of topological changes. Since after the extrude operation, our topology has shifted, in order to return the correct cut, we need to activate the magnet parameter. If the topology has not changed significantly, this parameter can help restore the correct cut. In the node settings, you can adjust the parameter for snapping points to the cut edges after the magnet operation. As you can see, the cut points snap to the edges, allowing you to eliminate redundant vertices after projecting the cut onto the geometry. Of course, if we change the geometry more, then the cut may disappear. I've covered the basics of the tool. I hope it was all clear. I also want to show you some improvements to the point slide tool. I've replaced the circle with a point in the center of the handle, and the tool is now much more responsive with zero lag when selecting points. Thanks for watching this video. Bye everyone.